Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. Begin by opening Themes app and selecting Fonts at the bottom left corner. Now click on one of those. Select one of those options or tap on the search bar and type in whatever you wish to. When you're ready, tap on the best font style for you and tap on Free. Then, after a couple of seconds, select Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back to your default one, you can always do that by accessing the same settings. But this time, instead of tapping on Fonts, select Profile at the bottom right corner. Click on Font section, tap on Roboto, hit Apply, and then Reboot. Following that, just wait for your device to activate. As you can see, after that, style of my font has changed again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!